Hello everyone, welcome to the series wherein we are trying to understand as to how to ace your CLAT and ALET examination without attending any coaching institute. Things become extremely important even if you are visiting a coaching institute. Your syllabus and your past year papers. The syllabus will tell you what to study, the past year papers will tell you how to study them, right? इससे एग्जाम हो जाएगा 100% हो जाएगा. अब फोकस से पढ़ो. आर्टिकल 1 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिफाइंस इंडिया एज अ. तो देखोगे अगर पैटर्न रीड करोगे दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन एलेट आल्सो. दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड मल्टीपल टाइम्स. क्लैट 16 ने भी पूछा हुआ है. आर्टिकल 1 में बोल रहा है इंडिया को कैसे डिफाइन किया हुआ है. नाउ वी नो द आर्टिकल 1 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेज इंडिया दैट इज भारत shall be a union of states, shall be a union of which, so through this we can decipher India has two official names because the constitution recognizes this. India is a federal polity but not a true federal polity. Federal polity means a polity wherein government is at two or more levels. Now in India we have the government at center and state both, but is the power equally divided? No. Center is much more powerful. Center is much more powerful than state. But US में ऐसा नहीं है. US is a pure federal country where center and state are equivalent, while India is a quasi federal country where center is much more powerful than the state. Now this practice where the center is much more powerful than the state has been taken from Canada. So this is a Canadian practice, has been examination. So the article 1 of Indian constitution defines India that is Bharat shall be a union of states. मतलब हमारा constitution हमें union of states बोलता है, which means India is an indestructible union of destructible states. मतलब जो यूनियन गवर्नमेंट है वो इंडिस्ट्रक्टिबल है, कभी नहीं खत्म होगी, बट जो स्टेट्स हैं वो डिस्ट्रक्टिबल में कभी भी खत्म किए जा सकते हैं. वाइल यूएस यूनियन ऑफ इनडिस्ट्रक्टिबल स्टेट्स, स्टेट्स भी नहीं कभी खत्म होते. यूएस हैज अराउंड 50 स्टेट्स. So US is a true federal polity, India is a quasi federal polity, while Britain is a unitary system. So Article 1 of Indian Constitution defines India as a unitary state. Clearly लिखा India that is Bharat shall be a union of states. So this is how you have to read your past year papers. Reading your past year papers becomes important if you actually want to ace this examination and if you actually want to get a good rank. For now, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video now. Thank you.